Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming authority. You must represent the person, business, or organization and have verifiable public info. Once done, sign into the Google account connected to that brand so ownership can be validated. Next, search the entity name and find the knowledge panel on the right. If the panel is not visible, search variants and check cached results. Make sure the panel displayed is the one you intend to claim before moving forward. You now click the claim link in the panel and follow the verification flow. Google typically offers options like email to a listed address, search console ownership, or verified social profiles. Once you select a method, provide the requested proof. A verified site in Search Console is fastest for businesses, while public social accounts help individuals. Make sure to complete every prompt and upload clear documents if requested. This reduces delays and explains why verification succeeds. You finish by editing the panel content through the Knowledge Panel editor. Add descriptions, images, and official links, then submit changes. Once submitted, expect a review window, monitor your email and Search Console notifications for approval. If Google denies the claim, don't panic. Check the rejection reason, update your public website and social profiles to show clear authority, gather stronger documentation, and reapply. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.